Hi all, so we have this Jai Ho song going on. So we have done just the first part. So let me go throughout the song. So the intro starts as we know. So slightly we gotta mute that fifth string. Okay, so on this top we have A minor, F, A minor, then D minor, A minor. So okay, so that's your intro part. So we have fourth string second fret, back to fifth string open. Then we do on the third fret same string, then back to second fret, then open 4, then back to second fret on the fourth string. When we start the repeating phrase, we have a pickup note again on the second fret. Okay, so next we go. So we have this. So 9, 10, 9, 10 on third string. Then we end on 9. Then we go 13th fret on the second string. So then we go 4th string 12th fret, 3rd string 9th fret, 3rd string 10th fret, 12. So 4 on the 12 on the 4, then 9, 10, 12 on the 3rd, 10, 12, 13 on the first, second, then same on the first. So just practice this movement. Okay, so we can do couple of things. We can just go so I'm just playing first note on the 12th fret, then we go to 9, then we go 9, 10. So we go, so we are just starting on the note where we end. Okay, you can do double notes also. So both together. So beginners, intermediate guys get this. Then little bit advanced you can play. Okay, so then again it goes 13, 12 on the first string. So next we go. So this part, so it starts on 13th fret of the second string. Then we go 10 to 12 hammer on the first. So then we go 13, 12, 13, 12 on the third string, 13, 12, 13 on the second, then 12 on the third string. So you can slide from 13 to 15 on second string, then end on 15th fret of first string. So that after that we can do this one. So we have 13 on the second string, then we have the 10 to 12 hammer on, then back to 13th fret on the second string, then 10th fret on the first string. So people you can do also. Okay, so this part. again it goes back. To this part. So now we have 13 on the second string, 12 on the third string. So just count, okay? I'm not explaining in deep. So we have that 13, 12, 13, 12, 13, 12, 13, 12. Then I'm playing that 13 twice. Then ending on the 13, 12, 13 twice, then 15, then 11 on the second string. So then again we start on the same 11 and we hold the 12 on the third again. Starting rhythm is same. This time the ending notes are different. So we go 13, 12 on the first string, then ending on the 13 on the second string. So together. So next one. So we are going the second part. We start the same way. Sorry. So we go that. We have that chromatic notes there. So okay, so we have that ending, sir. Then so that's your lead part. So then the chords are like we have A minor for this that part. So we have A minor 2 times. So D minor, G, A minor, we have that D coming for that Jai Ho. Then again this repeats. C for 2 times, G minor, C again, then G. So we have C twice, G minor twice, then again back to C, then G. Then for this part, so we have C for 4 count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. 3, 4 we go the B flat chord. Then we go to G minor 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then G, again we have like 6 counts, then we go to C. So we repeat the same thing and again it will go back to that part again. So please practice this. So we got to practice this on every Sunday together.